This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring nodes 16 Plus and a Next.js app are ready, then install a Sqlite client and optional ORM. Next, create the local database file in a data folder and ignore it in Git. Once done, set a clear database path in an environment variable so server code can reuse it. Make sure to use server-side API routes or server components for direct DB access. Never expose the DB to the browser. This gets you into the first actionable state quickly and safely. You now define your schema and apply migrations so tables exist before queries run. If using Prisma, write a schema. Prisma and run migrate. With Next, create migration files. Once the schema is ready, initialize a singleton DB client on the server so connections are reused across requests to avoid file locks. Use write-ahead log mode to improve concurrency and always wrap queries in try/catch blocks. This prevents race conditions and clarifies why your app stays stable under concurrency. You finish by implementing API routes that call your server-side DB client and return JSON to the front end. Use parameterized queries or ORM functions to avoid SQL injection and paginate heavy reads to reduce memory pressure. After deployment, monitor errors and enable logging for slow queries so you can optimize indexes. If something goes wrong, the most common fix is checking file permissions and active locks. Make sure the process user can read/write the Sqlite file and consider WA.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.